Hello, so I'm going to show you how you can get to the BCSE Food Services Survey. This survey is a Google form and it's for all students in grades 3, 4, and 5 to complete. You have until February 28th to have your students complete this survey. It will go live on February 20th and you have a little over a week to get that completed. So it is located on the group or school dashboard for every school. So if you log onto It's Learning and you go to groups, this is the same process your students would follow to get to this as well. They might already, as soon as they log in, be taken to this group page. If you have another school that's popping up, if you're part of more than one building, you can always toggle back and forth between schools. So if you click the groups button and you don't see the school you want to go to quite yet, you click all groups, you can see the full list there and select your school. Once you are on your school dashboard, it is located on that dashboard. It's a green box. You can either click the picture here, the green box, or the link below, and it will open the survey for you. And your students will go through and complete this. There's a couple of pages. The first page is just some demographics information. There's drop-down menus. The rest are multiple choice questions. And students will need to be signed in to their BCSE Google to complete this. Otherwise, they will get an error message. And this is so we can make sure that students can only answer it one time and not keep submitting the survey over and over again. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know.